Hello friends, welcome back to Remy's World. If you're new to my channel, please do click on the subscribe button. I share recipes and different product reviews. So here I'm going to share today a recipe that we can do with ricotta cheese and condensed milk. So here I'm using sweet condensed milk, and in a vessel we take half of the box of ricotta cheese. We are not going to take full. If you want, you can take full, but I'm making this recipe with half box. Now I'm going to add the sweetened condensed milk, again half tin, not the whole, because it's going to be super sweet, which we won't like it, because it's everything in moderation is what everybody enjoys, isn't it? So half tin of milk, condensed milk, and half box of this ricotta cheese. Now give it a good mix, and make sure it's not on the stove right now. We have put it on the countertop just like that, and giving it a good mix and bringing it to a runny state, you can see, to make it a loosen. So you have to mix it like this for 5 minutes until you get this texture or this consistency. So you can see the flow of this. Next, it is ready to be put on the stove. Now turn the stove on, and we have to cook this on low medium heat, and keep stirring it so that it doesn't get stick to the bottom and get burned. So you have to keep on stirring it, and this process will take almost 30 minutes. You have to keep stirring it until it becomes thick enough to be put in the container. So you keep on watching. This is the texture. We want it to be more thick. So here I'm adding cardamom, and this is cardamom pods that brings a good flavor to the dessert. It's optional. If you have it, it's very good. You can add it to the dessert, and see, I have powdered it, and we can put it in the mix. So here you have to keep on stirring it until it becomes a good thick texture. So here I am cooking at low medium heat, and you have to keep on stirring. So 30 minutes it will take. You can get this done in the oven also, but I prefer to do this way. So here you can see it's good enough to be put in the refrigerator. So we get the good dessert shape we like. So I like to put it in a square shaped box container like this, and give it a good pan. So here you can garnish it with almonds or pistachios or cashews, whichever you like. Here I'm going to add little almonds, which I scrape it off. It looks good like that. No raisins, it won't taste good with it. So pistachios, or you can add almonds like I'm doing it right now. Just crush it little, scratch it with the knife and put it like this. Garnish it and put it in the refrigerator for 4 to 5 hours. I did not freeze it. It was normal in the refrigerator. You need not freeze it. Now it's good to be served like this. Super easy recipe, just with 2 ingredients you can get a very good dessert. We call it Kalakand in India. It's a very sweet dessert. People love it, and very easy and quick to make. So something you can try for the Christmas, like we make cookies and all, but this is something different which the guests and families will definitely enjoy it. I hope you find this video useful, and do let me know in the comments below what's your next recipe for Christmas.